is Sanika Dalal from SSC Batch 2002. I am BCom graduate and Chartered Accountant by profession. I have also done Diploma in Financial Services from Pune University and a certification in Working Capital Management from Dun and Bradstreet. I was in this school from junior KG to standard 10th. Yes, I am a hardcore SPMite and I am very proud of it. I have enjoyed every day of my school life. My teachers and their teaching still form an integral part of my life. Our teachers not only taught us school subjects but prepared us for our life journey. I am very much attached to my school. 19 years back in Chiprun, tuition culture was not at all developed. Every student was totally dependent on school. So this entire process of learning and teaching was quite enthusiastic. Even in those days, our school had excellent laboratories, library, computer lab, playground, classrooms. It was perfect combination of good infrastructure and dedicated staff. When I passed in 2002, I decided to relocate to Pune for higher education. Even after getting excellent marks in 10 standards, opting commerce stream came as a surprise to my parents and to most of my batchmates who were taking up science. In those days, choosing commerce stream was considered secondary to the science stream. Chartered accountancy course requires altogether different kind of skill sets. It has a very vast syllabus and the passing benchmark itself is very high. It requires hard work, perseverance, and the articleship training, we need to undergo articleship training for 3 years along with the college studies, CA studies. No wonder Indian Institute of Chartered Accountants of India stands second in the world with respect to the quality of education. This course gave me an opportunity to interact with people in senior position from banking, manufacturing and other industries in articleship phase itself. I did not stop my learning with CAs. I did multiple add-on courses to further improve my skill sets. In long run, it is this continuous learning process which helps us to further excel. Now as a chartered accountant, I work as a key account manager in Pune-based consulting firm where we provide services of virtual CFO. We deal with regulators, bankers, tax authorities, clients on day-to-day basis. And believe me, the qualities I learned in school because of participation in various elocution competitions, science exhibitions, participating in dramas in school gathering has immensely helped me to confidently present in these forums. Friends, you will be leaving this school for further studies. While choosing your career path, meet people in those professions, get to know about their journey, their work profile, and then choose the course which interests you. You are lucky to be a part of SPM English Medium School. Enjoy this school life which never comes back. Be successful, be a good human being. I will take this opportunity to thank my teachers, my non-teaching staffs and my school friends who have played a major role in shaping my career. Concluding my speech, I would like to read few lines from my favorite poem which you might have already come across. It is quite an inspiration if we face obstacles in our career path. Don't quit. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is strange with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learn, and many a failure comes about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Don't give up though the pace seems slow, you may succeed with another blow. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of clouds of doubt, and you never can tell just how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far, so stick to the fight when you're hardest hit. It's when things seem worst that you must not quit. Wish you all the success in life. Thank you so much.